guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am so pumped up for today's video because we are trying out the OIA Anti-Wrinkle Forehead, Eye, Smile, Neck, Chest patches. So basically this little baby is supposed to be better than Botox. It's supposed to be able to make it so you don't have to get Botox, because if you have this, you don't need the Botox. I've been seeing this all over Instagram and I got really curious and really wanted to try it. And OIA was so kind to sponsor this video and help support my channel. So thank you so much for doing that. But I am always completely honest with you guys. They asked me to be completely honest, and I want to give you the very true before and after. I haven't tried it at all. I'm showing it all to you on camera, bringing you in very close. I have a lot of like lines up on my forehead, and I'm 30 years old now, guys. I'm 30 years old, so I got a lot of stuff going on. So I'm going to show you before, after me applying them, and tell you my final honest thoughts at the very end. So I hope you really like this video. If you're new, hi, welcome. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I love skincare. I do skincare, makeup, all of the above. I am very particular with my skincare. Taking care of my skin is a big deal, so I've done a lot of research. I just tried a lot of different products. I have dry, sensitive skin, so hopefully this baby works for me so I don't have to get Botox, because I don't want to do that. I don't want to, but this line is an issue. You'll see in a second. Hit the like if you like when I try out trendy, interesting products and tell you my 100% raw opinion. And let's just get started. I do want to mention, you guys, I do have a 10% discount code for you. I'll put that here so you guys can check it out, and I'll put the link down below in the description box if we end up liking it and you want to try it. I have that for you. I wanted to hook you up because I know a lot of you guys are just as interested as I am. So these are anti-wrinkle patches. It comes with one forehead patch, 4 eyes and smile patches, 1 neck patch, 1 chest patch. It's all in all is 7 patches, and these are supposed to be reusable. So it's not like a one-time use and that's it. You're supposed to be able to continually use these, which is absolutely amazing. OIA is here to fix all wrinkle worries. The silicone patches gently compress and protect the skin to noticeably minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Our patches are the fastest and safest way to achieve anti-aging effects. You can leave them on while you relax or even while you sleep. Interesting. So let's try these babies on. Okay, so this is what my skin looks like right now. And I have like a lot of like this line here that is absolutely horrible. I do have like a lot of lines under there. I don't have perfect skin whatsoever, so I'm really excited. And then my neck, I do have lines on my neck. So I'm excited to see what this baby can do for us. So here we go. Let's open this up. So it does come with a pamphlet that kind of tells you how to do everything, how to get the most out of your patches, which I do really love, so that you know what you're doing and you can do it correctly. And they're easy steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, how to maintain your patches. I really love this little brochure thing. It's really smart to do something like that. And here are the patches. So we're gonna see what happens here. So I think I'm gonna leave it on for about an hour as I'm doing a couple things that I need to get done. That's when I'll leave it, that's how long I'll leave it on. So I've put on all my skincare and moisturizers, And let's take a look now at how my skin looks. I'm gonna be testing this out a couple more days, and then I'll come back and tell you my thoughts, and I'll show clips of like the second day, the third day, the fourth day. Yeah, I can tell a big difference here. Like this line, wow. Yeah, like my skin looks super smooth. I mean, you guys tell me what you think. I feel like my skin looks super smooth around here, especially my forehead, which is my problem area. That's where I notice it the most. Now, I do want to say that if you have dry skin, you can actually put your skincare on, let it really sink into your skin and dry, and then put the patches on. So I think tomorrow night, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna let the skincare really sink into the skin, and then you put the silicone on, because the silicone is supposed to seal in that moisture. It's supposed to really seal that moisture into your skin. And I feel like since I have dry skin, I don't have natural moisture in my skin already. Like it's very hard, so I need to add serums and product to really help hydrate my skin. And then I think if I put that silicone on top, that's where it will really make it the most effective, and I'll see the most differences. So the next 3 days, I'm gonna do it that way, and then I'll check back at the very end and I'll show you guys, and we can talk about my final thoughts and reviews on what I think about these patches. All right, day 2, and we're taking these babies off. So here we go. I actually let my foundation, I let my skincare sink in first. And wow, now it looks smooth. Now my skin looks smooth. Can you see that? What the? All right, so here we have the eyes. Yeah, if you have dry skin, put on your skincare, let that sink in for an hour, and then put these babies on. Yeah. Look how much smoother my skin looks. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I look way more smooth. I think tonight I'm gonna try it at night, but wow, look at that. My skin looks way more smooth, just really nice. Do I look 30? So this is day 2. Okay, so it is day 3 of me putting these babies on. Let's take these off, see how they look, and then I'm gonna give you my full thoughts and reviews on these patches. Okay, so I've been trying the OIA patches for about 3 or 4 days now, every single day, and I tried them in different ways, and I'm ready to tell you my thoughts on it, what I think about them, and I'm gonna be completely honest. Right now I have foundation on. I have been really taking care to see what my skin also looks like with makeup on. These are supposed to really help smooth out your wrinkles, smooth out your skin. And basically, these silicone patches seal in hydration onto your skin. So if you have dry skin, I very highly recommend to put on your skincare and let it settle into the skin, and then put your patches on. That's the way, that is my personal favorite way to use these patches. I think that they work really well that way, because they seal in all those, that moisture, the hydration, all of those good serums, good ingredients. They kind of seal it into my skin. I felt like they were very easy to use. They were really sticky. I love that they're reusable for up to 15 times. And if you take care of them, maybe even more. And I love that they're so easy to maintain, to take care of. So I just have to rinse them, just wash them, the sticky part, have the sticky part face up, let it dry, and then I can stick it back onto those plastic mats to store and use again the next day or later. So I love that. And if it's still not sticky, maybe you got like makeup on it, you can lightly use very gentle soap to lightly clean it. So my thoughts, I love them. I think that they're great. They do claim to be the better option than Botox, and I kind of agree on that. I think it's just like skincare, where you need to use them more than once. You need to continually use it to see those results and to continue to get those results. I feel the same way about these patches. I did notice that they did really seal in all my serums, all of the hydration that my skin had. It really did seal it in. I really felt like my skin looked plumpier. I love using that word because there's no better way to explain how your skin looks when you really are hydrated and it looks almost youthful. I feel like it just looks plumpier and just more youthful, fresh, brighter. It's just looks healthier. And I did notice, now I have a really bad, I don't even know if it's like a wrinkle or like a fold just from like frowning 30 years of my life, I guess. And it's just there all the time. And since I started using them, I've seen every day it start to fade more and more. It's not completely gone yet, but just the fact that it's been fading, even when I put on foundation, put on makeup, my forehead lines look 10 times better. That's where I have my problem, my forehead lines. Today, I really noticed right around here under my eyes, it just looked so smooth. It's almost like the little skin lines that you naturally have almost looked smoother, more filled in. I don't think it's the same as Botox, but I think if you're someone that doesn't want to go that route, but you want something to help with your wrinkles, with your anti-aging, to help your skin, to keep your skin healthier, this is fantastic. This is so fantastic. I really do love it, you guys, and I'm excited that I got to try them out because I've been watching it on Instagram, the ads on Instagram for a while, and I'm just so curious, and the results from these women that have been using this for so long was so amazing. So I'm super excited to continue to use these patches. I'll definitely update you guys in the future. I will continue to take pictures maybe after like a month of using these patches. I'll show you guys what my skin looks like, but so far I'm really excited and I really do like them. And so I'm excited that I finagled a discount code for you guys. So I'll put the discount code right here and also down below. If you're interested and you want to try them yourselves, which I do recommend. I don't think you should try them alone. If you don't use any skincare, you don't take care of your skin, these patches aren't going to necessarily be the best for you. I feel like if you want to take care of your skin, you want to use your serums, you want to use, just really take care of yourself by using sunscreen, serums, moisturizers, things like that. This is a great addition that's going to make all those things even better and make your skin look even better. So keep those things in mind. I think that if you have oily skin though, you don't need to put on your serums and your moisturizers. I think you wash your skin, have clean skin and then put them on, because your natural oils and stuff, it's just, I think that that's going to be a really good mixture for you. I do have dry skin, so I can only really speak for dry girls, but if you do decide to try it out, let me know in the comments what you think about it, or let me know what you think about my results and things that you saw in the camera. I'm always interested to have a discussion and talk to you guys about, or if you have suggestions, and see what you think from watching the before and afters and every single day after I took off the patches. I really like to test out products to show you what the products, how they worked for me, to hopefully help save you money and show you what worked and what didn't, and really give you guys good information. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give this video a big old fat thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. If you're interested in more skincare related videos, I actually have a skincare playlist up here. I will link that and you can go check that out. I love you. I'm excited for foundation week. It's coming up March 1st. I hope you are too. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.